Laughter is good for the soul. Sp500 Dow Nasdaq from RJTICHARTS.com. Stock and options trading carries a high level of risk. It can result in the loss of all of your investment. Futures and forex trading can result in the loss of all or more than your investment. As such, options trading may not be suitable for all investors. You should not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. RJTI charts versus puzzle face versus a stupid day, March the 13th, 2023, 5:18 p.m. The other day, our algorithms asked, why are so many buying now on the 13th of March and have decided to buy more on the 14th of March, 2023? Our algorithms asked, did RJTI charts forecast that a Black Swan would surface? And is this one where the regional banks, especially SIVB, had to be rescued by our United States government, which was an unforeseen event that occurred, which sent the markets into a tailspin? We think this was a Black Swan. But what justifies one entries is another question, right? And this is the reason we have focused on what is good for the soul. Laughter is good for the soul. Because from what we see, it is absolutely funny that buyers went into the markets as vigorously as they did on the 13th and 14th of March, 2023. Who can't be wrong? Anyone can. And from what we see, this rally is to give up all gains at some point, and the markets are to trend even lower for no other reason than this: the VIX. CBOE Market Volatility Index. Do you see any reason why the VIX is not to rally? It just fell from 30.81 to 22.27 on the 14th of March. A lot of times, we like putting ourselves in a position where we could make history or exhibit why we have some of the best algorithms on Wall Street today, and we are working to do it again now. You see, we understand our algorithms, and they offer us a 91 to 93% chance of being right in our assessment, because they not only are based on physics, but also based on some of the past successes that we've had that others might find a hard time to claim the same, such as we forecasted the last 3 major market declines before they unfolded 6 to 8 months before, and even now in the year 2023, after SIVB and other regional banks came under fire, we can proclaim we told you that a Black Swan was to unfold. So it's hard for us to not be confident in our assessments because of our algorithms. Algorithms that don't go on TV to explain after the fact why something happened, but algorithms that forecast that to come before it becomes a reality. So here we go again. If buyers think that the downside is over with and want to keep buying, so be it. But we are to forewarn that the VIX is going to pop again. And this pop is going to wipe away the 13th and 14th March 2023 rally, and even any rally that comes after such days. Algorithms still offer that, although 2 of its targets were hit from a forecast over a month ago, and yet have retreated back lower as of the 14th of March. We want you to understand that this is the beginning of it all, not the end of a higher VIX to trade. Could you imagine what would happen if the VIX hit our first 3 targets? The impact it would have on the Dow, Sp500, Nasdaq, Nikkei, gold, treasury bonds. What would happen if it hit 61.99, if not some of our higher targets, or even just moved up to 45.37? Well, for sure, the 13th and 14th rally would be wiped out. But let's move forward to see if our algorithms offer an inaccurate forecast for tomorrow. And just maybe the bullish fund managers are to escape such a reckoning. And for investors' sake, we hope that they do. Yet, physics is pretty mighty. And if our algorithms have predestined that certain things must occur to satisfy the physics of a market, then who are we to argue with our algorithms? Get your Ramo today. Get your equity subscription today. To contact us, info@rjticharts.com, 888-521-3555. RJTICHARTS.com, driven by infinite wisdom and its proprietary trading systems.